All right, so this is almost the final stage in Rank Hacker and probably the most exciting one. It's called the reveal stage, and this is in the reveal tab up here. Once you've gone through the process to find your KPIs, you've found keywords that are going to hit those KPIs, and then you've targeted the right competitors that are bringing in the most leads and sales. Then you drill down to the final stage, which is revealing the strategies of your competitors. You're at the SEO strategies of your competitors. And the way you're going to do that is you find your final keyword selections here, the ones that are hitting your goals, right, hitting your KPIs. And then you're going to simply hit this reveal button here. And once you do that, it's going to reveal the content marketing strategies your competitors are using. So let me demonstrate. All right, so after anywhere from 1 to 2 minutes, it'll finish. It does take 1 to 2 minutes because this is looking at your competitors in real time. So this isn't stored data. This is actually happening in real time, so we get fresh data. But just simply click the refresh button up here after it's completed, and you'll see right here, if you expand any of the keywords, it'll then give you the data. So for example, here for this keyword indoor fountains, it shows all the top 10 competitors on Google right here, the 3 that you have selected. So all of these projections right here, the search volume, the number of visitors, the number of customers, the amount of sales, all that's coming from an average of these 3 competitors here. So if you were to turn any of these off or on, these numbers will change, as I'll demonstrate here. So all the numbers change. Once again, look at the amount of customers and sales. It went from 7,000 to 14,000. Now let's uncheck position 2. And now position 1 went to 3 customers, 21,000 a month in revenue. Because now it's based on just position 1, page 1. So we usually like to leave on 2 or 3 competitors and take an average for your leads and sales volume. But for the reveal stage, what's really great is it shows the backlink profile and the content marketing profile, and it shows the categories where these backlinks are coming from. 75% in this case are from health and fitness websites, and you can click through and it goes a little bit further, or you can click back. And this is really just a nifty graph to show you the categories that these backlinks and content marketing efforts are coming from, what it's made up of. But to take it a step further, you can download the exact backlinks that are built for that exact keyword. So we're not talking about like backlinks that are just in general that they built, but these are backlinks specifically in this case for the word indoor fountains. So when you look at this backlink profile, it's highly relevant, and it gives you the exact kind of targets you can use to reverse engineer and then do your backlink outreach on. So I'm going to click it to download it. Once I download it, I'm going to open it. And then from there, we can, look at here's the keyword, right, indoor fountains. Here's the competitor URL. Okay, this is the one that's ranking. This is the backlink that they've earned, right, that they've received. So the backlink where it's coming from, and this is where it's at. This is the money. This shows you exactly the backlinks that you now can go after. It also shows you where they're pointing to, the backlinks where they're pointing to, the domain rating, right now in this case it's 0, and even the categories and the subcategories. So all really good information. So now your marketing outreach teams can use these backlinks and go after the exact same ones specific to these keyword phrases. And that's really all there is to it on the reveal stage. You're looking at your competitors, you're looking at their exact marketing strategies, and now you have a goal. You have a goal of what you should be doing each month, and that's a big deal. So for the word custom fountains in this one, for example, just one backlink per month is what your competitors are doing, and that should be your goal. So down here it's 1 minus 0, which is what you're doing, which equals a goal of 1. Now if you wanted to bump this up, you can unlock it right here. And you can actually put in a bigger goal if you want to get more aggressive, and you just hit enter. And now you've got a content marketing goal of 4 per month. This really gives you something to now aspire to and try to achieve. and it gives you a goal each month that you need to fulfill in order to beat out your competitors.